Guys, what is the difference between a basic budget smartwatch and a nice little premium luxury model? Now, if you ask me, apart from the features, at least when it comes to aesthetics, the major part is the band. And today we are going to learn how to replace these smartwatch straps or bands as they call it. And again, I'm going to install a nice metal one because this is what I love. I already have this flashy sparkling silver installed, and today we are going to install this thick metal band over here. You can use the same guide to install a basic silicone or plastic strap as well. Now first what we have to do is we have to remove this particular strap which is already installed, and to do that I'm going to use this little tool, this plucker right here. You can also use a plier, but what I've noticed is that a plier will often end up making scratches on your smartwatch, so that is why I would recommend using a plier. If you don't have this tool, then I'll provide a buying link for this thing in the description or the first comment. Now if you focus right over here, there is a little lock. It looks like a door stopper actually, and what we need to do is simply we have to grab this lock like this. We need to pull it back and then lift the whole thing upwards, and there we are done. This thing is already unlocked. Now you can simply slide it out, and whenever you slide it out, just make sure that this little pin does not fall out, because if this thing gets lost, then you will have a problem. All right, so let's carefully put it over here. I'm going to put it in a box or something later on, so let's just place it like this. So this is the top part. The same thing we'll be repeating here with the bottom part. You find this little door stopper, this bolt, just grab it, just grab the bolt like here, pull it back like this, and then pull it upwards towards you, and that is how it goes. And that is how we remove the smartwatch strap. All right, so what I'm going to do is install this nice thick metal band. Again, if you want to buy these kind of luxury smartwatch straps or bands, I'll provide a couple of affiliate buying links in the description or first comment. Please consider using them to support my channel. Now first we need to figure out where to put this particular part. So when the watch face is the right way up like this, so this is the top part, all right, and the one with the clip will go over here to the top part. So first we'll be using this particular one and mount it here on the top side of the smartwatch. All right, again, to install this thing we'll need the metal pins. Now they are right here. Sometimes they are provided separately in the package, so what you have to do is you just have to insert them here, and here is how these pins look. Very delicate, they're easy to get lost. All right, and if they get lost, they are available online, so again I'll try putting links for them as well. But first what we'll do is we'll as you can see over here in the bottom, there's a small hole where first we'll insert this bottom part of the pin like this. So okay, looking through the camera and trying to do this is a little bit tricky, but I guess there I got it. Now this upper part is spring loaded and the mechanism is the same. We'll just grab it like this using this. Okay, let me try it. Okay, you can also use a nails, I guess. We'll use this. Okay, so focus. Okay, so pull it back. You can see it is spring loaded. It goes back like this, and just insert it here, and there it will settle itself in the hole, and there it is installed. Let me focus it for you guys. Okay, so there this part is now attached like this. So this is the top part, the one with the clip. This one, or you can say this one, will be at the top part of your smartwatch, something like this. So let's install the bottom part, and I hope that the focusing mechanism on this camera cooperates a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So first we'll insert the bottom part in the hole here like this. So there it goes, and then for this upper stopper like device, just grab it, pull it back and insert it and leave it. It is spring loaded and it will fall into place. And that, my friends, is how you install a luxury or a comfortable band or strap on your budget smartwatch and make it appear premium. If smartwatch is something which tickles your fancy, then I have a bunch of informative video with respect to smartwatch. They'll pop up right here in the form of video cards on your screen. You can click on them and watch those videos as well. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day. And yes, enjoy your smartwatches.